Google Sites tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Google Sites and how you can use it to create amazing looking sites. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I do want to tell you guys that Google does not have a lot of editing option. They have very basic options that you cannot fully customize your website. If you want a website that has a lot of options, a lot of designs, a lot of animations, then you're going to need to go to Wix or Editor X or Squarespace or any other website editing tool so that you can add more options. But Google Sites is very basic and very standard. So let's get started. So to create a new site, what you're going to need to do is come over here onto Google Sites and just simply click on the plus icon. Now this is the new editor, right? If you want to go back to the classic sites over here on the bottom left, just simply click on back to classic sites. It's going to take you back to the classic sites over here. As you can see, this is how it looked like back in the day. There's a classical version, but I think we're going to continue with the newer version. So they're going to go to new Google Sites, and this is how it looks like. So let's go ahead and click on the plus icon to create a new site. So we create a plus icon, it's going to load up and it's going to take us over here where we have some minor templates, not a lot of templates, like they're pretty basic, pretty decent. All right, over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now if you want to click on themes, you can go ahead and click over here and you will find all the themes, right? So let me actually go back real quick. Where are the themes over here? They should be over here. Choose a template. Here we go. There we go. So over here we have a bunch of different templates. As you can see, they're pretty basic, not a lot of templates. So pretty minor templates, nothing too extravagant. Let's go ahead and create a photo portfolio. So we'll click on that theme, on that template, then it's going to load up, and over here we can start editing it out. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Over here we have this pretty decent looking website. This is basically a photo portfolio, and over here we have some designs, some categories that we've seen, and within them we have more pages and more themes. So over here you can enter in your name, so we'll just call it, your company name or whatever. So we'll just call it over here Zen Media, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, pretty simple. And over here, this is the work. Over here, we have project page. We have the about page. As you can see, we can add another header. We can add a logo over here. We have our portfolio over here. We can add different sections as well. So over here on the left side, we will have our main editing tool. So we will have our inserts options over here, content blocks, and some minor options over here, like up till the placeholder. And beneath placeholder, you will have other options, but they're just like other products for Google. As I said before, not a lot of editing options. They're pretty minor, pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Then over here we have pages, and over here if you want to add more pages, you can click on the add more pages and you can add them, and then you can add a new link, a new page. All right, so for example, we have the portraits over here. So now if I wanted to create a new portrait, I'll create a new page and I'm going to call it portraits. All right, and I'm going to click on done, and in the portraits, all right, this is the new page. Over here I am going to add inserts over here, and I'm going to add a bunch of, let's say, gallery, like maybe images. Let's say let's go with this one right here, or this one, or this one as well. It all depends on you. So something like this, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. So over here we'll click on upload photo or select image, and when we click on select image, it's going to open up this tab where we have all our images. So it's loading up, so let it load up a little bit. Here we go. So this is the Google Drive, and we want to go over to Google Images to get all the images. All right, and over here we'll just simply choose portraits. But actually, before we do that, I just want to go back to pages, go to work, and I want to get this image right here, right? It's like the old man portraits, because that's what it is. So I would like to copy this image, but let's see if it works. There we go. Now we'll just move that up and we'll just put it over here, and we'll just simply delete this. Oh, sorry. Put that over here. Yeah, I think that looks good. And we'll just select this one and we'll delete that one. Here we go. Now we'll just put it over here. We'll put this one over here. Can I move it? Yeah, I think that looks nice. Actually, I just wanted to, move it right over here. There we go. Same thing with this one. I'll just move the placeholders right here, and then we'll call it portraits over here. And then over here, we'll say like a bunch of portraits of different cool people or models or whatever you want to say. We'll just call it, description over here of what our portraits are going to be or whatever it is. And then over here, we have portraits, and down below, you can add more images. So over here, I'm going to simply, select image. I'm going to go to Google Images, And over here, I'm going to go over to Google Images and I'm going to search for portraits. Let's say we choose this one image right here. We'll click on insert. It's creating an image. Wait for it to be uploaded. Once it's uploaded, we can go ahead and adjust it accordingly. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So yeah, I think this looks good. We'll keep it like that. Yeah, or yeah, I think that looks good. Now we just upload another one. So we'll just simply click on select images. And again, we'll click over here onto Google Images. We'll select portraits. And over here, we'll choose another image that will look good over here. So let's go ahead and pick this image out, or this one as really. Choose that image. Yeah, I think that looks good. It's a little bit too, actually we'll remove that. Oops. Let's go ahead and replace the image because that does not look good. We'll go with image. Here we go. We have more images. Let's go ahead and pick an image that has the portrait option, but we can still see a lot of other details as well. So we'll pick a smaller image, maybe this one. We'll go ahead and put that over there. There we go. So we'll just put that over there, slide that. Here we go. So as you can see, this looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more images and I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, so now that I've added these images, I think these looks pretty good. So we'll just say that this is the portraits. All right. Now we just want to link this page. All right. So we'll just simply, click over here, click on add. Actually, no, we'll just go over here. We want to click over here and we want to link it over here, right? So we'll just simply click over here, double click it. We'll insert the link to the page, all right, which is going to be this one. What is the properties? So actually, yeah, we can't do that. I mean, it would have been pretty nice if I could just, link the page over here, but instead we can only put the pages over here at the top. So yeah, which is pretty weird. I don't know why. I mean, I click over here. I mean, you should get the link option over here. Like, oh, here we go. Sorry about that. So now we just choose the page and we just simply click on apply. There we go. So now whenever someone clicks over here, they'll be taken over to the portraits page where they can see all the other portraits. So this is what we're going to do. This is how it's done. So then we can do with other ones as well, like, other images and create like a cool looking portfolio. So once that's done, we just simply click on the publish icon and we're good to go. So now we just simply click on publish, right? And over here, we just simply click on manage and we'll just choose the privacy settings and we'll just convert it to anyone so that when anyone can click on the link and join it. Now you could have connected to a custom domain, that way people can just simply click over here. So as you can see, we'll just say to public, here we go, anyone can view it, and we'll click on done. So over here, this is going to be the web address. Over here, if you already have a domain, all right, you just simply click over here and you add your domain by clicking on this button and just setting up a custom domain. So you can set up your custom domain if you already own one, and then you are good to go. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.